Looking for the fastest, smartest way to create a bootable USB? Tired of slow tools, errors, and complicated steps? Get ready for a new era of USB creation. Introducing ProITHub BootMaster, a next-gen bootable USB creator built with speed, intelligence, and innovation. Quick features: lightning-fast ISO writing, smart USB speed auto detection, supports all major partitions and file systems, intelligent system diagnostics, supports multiple operating systems, beautiful dark and light theme options, built-in troubleshooting log. Everything you need, designed smarter and built better. Let's see ProITHub BootMaster in action.
Select ProITHub BootMaster.exe, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. When the tool opens, it automatically creates a file called bootmaster.txt. This is your built-in troubleshooting log. You can change the theme directly from the tool, or you can go to the View menu and select your preferred theme. Now let's start creating the bootable USB. Click Browse and select your operating system's ISO file. Select the partition scheme and file system. I've already connected the USB drive to the laptop. As you can see, the tool automatically detects it. Now click Create Bootable USB. A confirmation alert will appear with all the details. Review it carefully and then click Yes. The tool will format the drive, mount the ISO, and then copy all required files to your USB drive. This process may take a few minutes depending on your USB speed and ISO size. Your bootable USB is now ready. Open your USB drive and you'll see all the operating system files. Your USB is now ready to use for OS installation. You can open the Bootmaster log to view every step performed. If any issue comes up, it will be listed here. This works as your built-in troubleshooting tool. It's designed to save your time, simplify debugging, and give you full transparency of the USB creation process.
The System Information feature provides a complete technical report of your device, including the system model, serial number, motherboard details, processor and core count, RAM usage, storage capacity, GPU information, and your boot history.
You can also view the system information from the View menu. And if you want to copy the details, just click the clipboard button, open Notepad, and paste the report. ProITHub BootMaster is a completely free tool designed to help system engineers work faster, troubleshoot smarter, and simplify daily tasks. We're also working on more free tools like this to support your daily work. If you'd like us to add any new features or improvements, feel free to share your suggestions in the comments. Your feedback helps us build more powerful tools for everyone.